Welcome to your soul activation and energy field reset attunement. This is a moment of sacred reclamation, and you are the one who chose to arrive here. This is your sacred space for returning to your original resonance. Before you begin, find a quiet, nurturing environment. Sit or lie down comfortably, turn off distractions, light a candle if you feel called to do so, and take a few grounding breaths. This is a soul activation attunement, a homecoming to your own sacred center. Here, you are guided by divine intelligence, light source energy, and the purest blueprint of your being. Let the breath be your invitation and your body the vessel. Close your eyes now. Begin by taking a few deep, calming breaths at your own pace. Allow your body to relax, soften, and settle. Feel yourself arriving fully into this moment, into your body, into your being. Let's begin with intention, your foundation. This planet honors free will. And so we start by choosing to engage. Imagine placing your attention at your feet, right at the base of who you are. Begin to sense a subtle energy forming beneath them. Maybe it's a pinprick of light, maybe a soft warmth. Open a portal beneath your feet. This portal is your connection to the core of Earth, to the foundation of your energy field. Pause and feel. Is the energy beneath you stable or shaky? Is it vibrant or dull, stagnant or alive? Simply notice. No judgments, just an interaction with your own field. Now invite your own energy fields to play. Playfulness holds no agenda. It doesn't demand change. It invites emergence. Say silently, "Would you play with me?" This invitation activates co-creation. Play is strength, cloaked in curiosity. It is both courageous and nurturing. Now, with reverence and play, call in the highest expression of your soul. Call forth your purpose, your divine blueprint, and ask gently, "Am I willing to see myself differently? Am I willing to try something new? Am I willing to remember who I truly am?" Let the questions float like feathers on the breath. Don't force an answer, just feel into them. As you breathe, lean into your strength of who you are. Feel a power rising, not forceful, but deeply holding. Let the light of your true self rise within and around you. Visualize. A radiant, pulsing force field of light wraps around your body. It is calm, peaceful, alive. It feels like home, but a home your conscious mind has never known. This light has always known you. It is you. It remembers every part of your being that you have forgotten. Let this light guide your journey from here forward. Now breathe deeply and feel that light anchoring into earth. Let the energy from the portal at your feet move down, 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 into the soil, the rock, the heartbeat of the planet. Feel the embrace of earth like a cosmic hug. Then let the light rise back up through your feet, through your body, through your crown, and extend your awareness upward. Reach into the sky, into the clouds, into the bright blue, and beyond into the stars. Touch the deep, dark velvet of space where possibility begins. Gently shift your inner gaze to the point between your eyebrows, the third eye, and just slightly lift your awareness upward. Relax. Breathe. From this place of connection, call your soul back into wholeness, where you have left pieces of yourself. With others, in the past, or across dimensions. Say aloud or silently, I call back my power. I call back my intention. I call back my strength. No judgment on the journey, no blame. This isn't about what went wrong. It's about remembrance. This light, this truth, is not something separate from you. It is you. It's never been apart from you, only waiting for your return. Now breathe into your aura, your light body. Maybe it looks like an egg, a sphere, a shimmering mist. Whatever shape or texture appears is perfect. Expand that light. 1 foot around you, then 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6 feet in all directions. Let your light spiral, oscillate, pulse, expanding into space. Feel your energy field becoming more vibrant, more alive. Now in the front of you, a mirror appears. It reflects something. Your soul, your human self, your multi-dimensional light. There's no right or wrong, just witness. With a smile, internal or external, reach out toward the mirror. Say with boldness and curiosity, I am so excited to see this in a new way. As you touch it, notice the mirror becomes liquid. Now ask your spirit, am I willing to step through this portal? If your answer is yes, glide through. You're safe, you're protected. Feel yourself sliding gently, as if down a glowing slope, into a soft new reality, a realm of your highest potential. Let your body relax even more deeply. Let your soul land in a space where all things are possible. You have arrived in the field of all possibility. In this sacred space, you're invited to gently bring forward an emotion that's been recurring in your life. Maybe it's confusion, grief, anger, shame, or a situation that keeps looping. Don't push it. Let it arise like steam from your soul. Hold it lightly in your hand as if your energetic palm extends outward. See it, a symbol, a thread, a sensation. Hold it with curiosity. Now trace this thread through your life. When has this feeling shown up before? As a child? As a teen? Maybe as a young adult? You don't need the full story. Just feel the essence. Then ask your higher self and your soul's team, take me to the origin, to the place where this was first coded. Take me to the moment I made a decision about reality that embedded this experience into my field. Let that scene arise now. Slowly, gently. Notice where you are. Who's there? What's unfolding? Observe. Don't merge. Watch from a state of neutral love. Ask yourself, what belief about life, love, power, or self did I decide in this moment? What did the world show me here? What did I make it mean about me? Now, with grace, name it. Not with blame or shame, just truth. The naming frees the binding. Ask now, what did I need here that I didn't receive? Let the truth rise. Was it safety? Affection? Encouragement? Freedom to be? Now imagine the situation replaying with that need being fully, abundantly met. Let your younger self receive it, just as you always deserved. And now ask, if I had received that then, what new belief about reality would I have naturally formed? What would I have expected from the world? Let your light rewire the moment. See that version of you 6 months later, thriving, interacting with the world in a new way, radiant, unburdened, and empowered. Now zoom a year ahead. What's different in your life? What reflections are you seeing around you? Return to the portal beneath your feet. Feel the foundation now. It's no longer cracked or shaky. It's not just a rock anymore. It's a mountain. Stable, ancient, and powerful. You are standing on the unshakable foundation of your own choosing. No longer looking for validation outside of you. From this space, breathe into your 6-foot energy field. Feel the oscillation, the pulse of power. Your aura is no longer vague or dim. It is vibrant, fluid, and sovereign. Say to yourself, from this moment, I interact with life from the knowing of who I am. I am the creator of meaning, the chooser of experience, the master of perception, and the soul who remembers. Now go 5 years forward in your mind's eye. See how your life is reflecting your new beliefs. What are people saying to you? How are you expressing your gifts? Now go 10 years into the future. Walk as this version of you. Notice how natural it feels. The world responds to your vibration. It always has. Bring it all into now. Collapse time. Integrate this mastery into your breath, your skin, your spine, your eyes, and say, I am the master now. I no longer carry beliefs that do not serve me. I reclaim every thread of power. because even the thought of not having it was my creation, and I can choose another. Take a deep breath. Feel your light field again. 6 feet wide. Luminous. This is your true state. Nothing can bind you except your own thought, and that can change in an instant. Breathe in your power. Breathe it into your toes, into your fingers, into your mind and heart. As you rise into the day, expect newness. Expect magic. Let your light show you. And if your mind tries to cling to the familiar, gently whisper, I have the power, and you have no power over me. These are your keys. It will serve you well. Return anytime you wish. You are whole. You are loved. You are ready. So it be. Much love, light, and joy.